Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today a quick video. I promise this will be a quick video because I just already recorded this video like a month ago or so, and actually I did this unboxing. I didn't do it. Actually, my girlfriend did it, and it is a quick one. So you will see in this unboxing, as you probably already seeing right now, the new Huawei Matebook from 2021. So this is the newest version and it is actually very powerful. In fact, it's 15 inches model, so it has the i5, the Intel i5 11th generation, so the most advanced in the i5 categories, and actually it has integrated GPU, and it has also 16 gigabytes of RAM, of DDR4 RAM, so very powerful. Also, this one has a 1080p screen, so it doesn't have the 2K panel of the maybe top-end older model, especially the 14 inches model that had the 2K panel. This one does have only Full HD. And for the rest, it is the classic Matebook from Huawei. So it has also the fingerprint scanner, it has the camera under the F button, so the chin camera, it is like a little bit weird. We will talk about that in the review of this device. And I think overall it is a great device, seems pretty well built, and actually it is very light for a 15 inches laptop. And actually another useful thing is in the package you can find a charger that it is only by 65 watt, so it is very small and very portable, so you can charge also your phone with that. So as I was saying, it is a very compact design and it is also very cool. So it does remind actually to the Mac, because it was always like that. And also I forgot to say that this one, it has already inside 512 gigabytes of storage. It is an SSD NVMe, so very fast. It is really blazing fast. So when you turn on, you just press the power button on this laptop and it just turns on. I mean, it read in that moment, it read also your fingerprint, so it is unlocking while it is powering on, so very useful. And as I was saying, it takes like a few seconds really to power it on, very fast. Also, as I said in the beginning, this one was unboxed by my girlfriend because it is her laptop, and we took this laptop because most of all of the 16 gigabytes of RAM and the i5, because it will be used for her channel, her YouTube channel. So it will be used to edit some videos, and I mean some light videos. They are not very heavy, but with Premiere Pro it is working very good, I can assure you. And actually this was just a quick unboxing and a quick preview of this laptop. Of course I will do like a full review if you're interested to that, and I will do some tests if you like to see some. So if you did, just leave a comment down below, because I will read, of course, every comment. And if you liked this video, just hit a like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, just hit the subscribe button right now, because I mean, it's free and it will be very helpful to this channel. That being said, I think that was it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.